Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel How to My Apps. Here how to download Thread and Instagram app. So now if you are on Instagram, you might want to join Thread. It is a new app that was just created by Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram. They just created this Twitter rival, so you might want to check it out to see what it about all. You are going to do is head on to your Google Play Store or App Store. So let's tap on search and type Thread. But if you just search for Thread, you have multiple different Thread app. You can see toward the bottom here, Thread not an affiliated with Instagram. So you want this on the top one, Thread and Instagram app. So just tap on it and hit the download button and install it. The cool thing here is you can keep your username from Instagram. So open up Thread, so you can see it say from Meta, and then it automatically pull my Instagram username. I can just say login through Instagram. I can tap on it and it will send a notification to my Instagram app to allow the user, if somebody is using the Thread and using the Instagram account. So I approve the request and I'm going to refresh it, and yes, it's get ready for Thread, and it can pull all of my username, my account detail, the bio and everything. I can add a link here, but for the time being I'm just going to click the next and use the public profile and click continue, and here we go. It's bring all of my followers, the one I was following up, so it's allowing me to follow them again. So going through this process is super simple and easy, and cool thing is that Instagram has brought in all of the information user, all of that stuff to make it really easy to put everybody over from Instagram over to Thread. And I hope this helped you. If you have any question, leave it in the comment down below. Thank you.